In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the Epic Games Launcher quickly and easily. Keeping the launcher updated is important because it helps fix bugs, improve performance, and make sure your games and downloads work properly. So if your Epic Games Launcher is acting a little outdated, or you just want to make sure you're on the latest version, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile icon. This is where you can access your account and launcher settings. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the launcher settings page, where Epic usually checks for available updates in the background. Now, if a newer version is available, you should see a button that says Restart and Update. If that button appears, that means the launcher has detected an update and it's ready to install. Go ahead and click Restart and Update to begin the process. At this point, the launcher will automatically download the update, close itself, restart, and apply the patch for you. You don't need to manually search for files or install anything extra. Just let the launcher finish the process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take a moment, so be patient while it completes. Once the update is finished, the Epic Games Launcher will reopen on its own and you'll be running the latest version. From there, you can continue launching your games, checking for downloads, or browsing the store as usual. If you don't see the Restart and Update button right away, make sure the launcher is connected to the internet and give it a moment to check for updates. Sometimes restarting the launcher can also help if it hasn't refreshed properly, and that's it. That's how to update the Epic Games Launcher in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials like this one.